In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving quadratic equation using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve basically any problem involving quadratic equation using this TI-84 plus scientific calculator easy and fast. So having known that, let's get started. Ensure you stay to the very end of the video. Alright, so this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. The next thing you have to do will be to bring out the quadratic equation solver, and to do that you press this app button. Once you do it, you go for option 4, which is polynomial simultaneous. So you press 4. So once you press 4, this will show. Just press any button. I used to press clear, so press clear. Follow me, guys. Alright, so once you press clear, you will see these options for you. So we want to find the roots of this quadratic equation, and option 1 is showing us polynomial root finder. Alright, so which is what we want to find. Alright, so we press 1. Okay, so once you press 1, this will display for you. Now guys, in maths, or in the concept of polynomial, we have various degrees of a polynomial. We have from 1 to beyond 5. Alright, so a polynomial that has 1 as the highest degree is known as a linear polynomial. The one that has 2 as the highest degree is known as a quadratic polynomial. The one that has 3 as the highest degree is known as a cubic polynomial, in that order. The one that has 4 as the highest degree is known as a quartic polynomial. Alright, so since in this video we are dealing with a polynomial that has 2 as the highest degree, which is a quadratic polynomial. Alright, but in terms of equation now, okay, so this setting is okay for us. It's reflecting 2 here. Alright, so just leave what you have here the same. Alright, so just press this graph button now for next. Alright, had it been what we are solving is cubic equation, we would have switched to 3 degree. Alright, since we are solving quadratic, let's just leave it at this 2. So press graph button for next. So once you do it, it will bring you to this very place. Now you are expected to impute the values for a2, a1 and a0 here. Now guys, pay attention. In quadratic equation, we normally used to have 3 alphabets attached to it. We have the A alphabet, the B and the C. Alright, now the A alphabet used to be for the leading term. Alright, so here in this question 1, 3x squared is the leading term. Alright, this is for the A alphabet, whereas the B alphabet is for the one following the leading term, and the C alphabet is for the constant. Alright, so in this leading term, what's the coefficient of this leading term? 3x squared. The coefficient is what is 3. Now coefficient is simply a number behind a variable or an unknown. Very, very important, guys. So the coefficient of 3x squared here is what? 3. Alright, so that will be the value for a, and here the a is replaced as a2. Alright, so the same thing, just press 3 for a, which is being replaced as a2 here. Alright, so once you do it, press enter, then to come to a1. The a1 is replaced as b, so the coefficient of 10x here is what? Is 10, which is the value of the b. Alright, being replaced as a1 here. So press 10. Okay, press enter. Then the constant is -8, which is being replaced as a0 here. Alright, so just press -8. Press this negative sign, guys. Use this one, don't use this one. Use this one, guys. -8. Okay, so that's it. We are good to go. Now let's solve this. Press this graph button to solve this to get the roots of the equation. Alright, so you see we have the s1 to be -4 and s2 to be 2/3. Alright, so roots of equation used to come out in 2 values, the s1 and the s2. Alright, of which we normally take the positive value. Alright, so that's it for this question 1. Hope you are getting the idea and you understand what I'm explaining here, guys. So that's it for this question 1. Now let's solve one more question, and after it we can call it a class. Guys, before we solve question 2, if you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I'm learning from this video. I really appreciate this, guys, and it's also helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people out there. Alright, so let's get to main menu. Press this Y button. Okay, press 1 for polynomial root finder again. Alright, so this is what we want. Press next. Okay, so we are still having this value. They didn't clear, so let's just clear it. Press zoom to clear. So the values are cleared. Okay, so this question 2, we have 5x squared minus 13x equals 6. Now this 6 will cross over the equality sign and it change to negative 6. Alright, so having the 6 at the right side of the equation is a negative number. When it crosses over to the left side of the equation, it will change to a positive number. But since it's a positive number at the right now, as it is crossing over, it will change to a negative number. So it's as simple as that, guys. So the leading term is 5x squared. So the coefficient of 5x squared is 5, which is our a value, being replaced at a2 here. So you press 5, press enter. So the b value minus 13x. So the coefficient of minus 13x is what? Minus 13. So make use of this negative sign for it, minus 13. Enter. So our constant now will now be negative 6. Alright, because this is crossed over. So what we have here now for this expression or for this equation is now 5x squared minus 13x minus 6 equals 0. So the constant is what? Minus 6. Press this and press 6. So that's it. Press this graph button to solve it to get the roots of the equation. Alright, so we have it to be x1 to be 3 and x2 to be negative 2 over 5. So this is basically how you can deal with problems involving quadratic equation using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a class here, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure you hit the subscribe button now. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the end screen above and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. So to go out from this quadratic equation mode, just press this menu. Alright, press 6 to quit app and it will quit the app. So that's it.